how to know the value of Steam account. So if you want to find out the value of Steam account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Steam application at first. Once you open up your application, now you need to go with your name. Under name, you need to go with profile. And under your profile, you will have edit profile section. Just go with edit profile and then copy your Steam ID. But if you don't have your custom URL here, then you just need to simply select your ID, which will be right here, which is the default ID. So copy this ID. Once you've copied, now you need to go with privacy settings. Under privacy, make sure that your profile is public. Now you just need to simply go with a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And on your browser, you need to search for SteamDB.info. And here you need to go with calculator section. Now you need to paste your URL or your Steam ID. And you can simply select your currency. So for example, I'll just simply choose US dollar and then go with get disappointed in your life. And it might take a few seconds. And here you will have the information. As it says that my account is not public, so you just need to simply go and make your account public. You need to go with my privacy settings and then some game details, and then you need to change your game details to public. Once you've changed your game details to your public, then you'll be able to see your Steam value right there. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.